Now I'm here again and we are going to replace the thermostat of this Chevrolet Tahoe 2016 model. This is the new thermostat together with the housing. So it's assembly. Then the old one is still in the housing. So we are going to remove first the old one. So this clump of refrigerators I already disconnect using the hose clamp remover and the bypass hose. So I will pull out first the refrigerator hose. This is the one. So I'm gonna put it here for a while. Then the bypass hose. So this one I'm gonna put also here. Then using this T-handle, I'm going to remove the 3 bolts. The bolt of this is number 10. So this is the T-handle number 10. The concern of this one is the cooling fan is continuous working even if the engine is already off, especially with engine is hot. So once you switch off the ignition, the fan is still working. So we are going to replace the thermostat and also the ECT sensor. The ECT sensor location also is near in the thermostat. So this is the old thermostat. I will remove the bolt. Before we put the new one, make sure that we need to clean the housings to avoid leaking. This have already a gasket. This one I will put like this. Then I will put the 3 bolt. So like this. This is a little bit easy because the location of thermostat is in the upper side of the only of the engine, not the same in the other model. That's little bit hard because the location is downside of the radiator engine with